I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ switching stops in a rip switch. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase sides or we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Like advice needs to scalp and plays. Someone so early, now they regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long on micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. And Q figure out, then it dips quick. In reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, so we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
Well, hello, good morning, good morning. It is Thursday, July 23rd. Just taking a look at Financial Juice here to see what we got going on. Looks like we had some ECB interest rates this morning. Deposit rate, Canadian retail, U.S. initial job claims. It's a green 187K, but that seems lower than it was previously. Canadian core, U.S. job loss claims is green also. So I don't know if that's better. Yeah, I guess it's better. We have less jobless claims. We got natural gas later, and that's about it. So pretty chill day for the news situation. Yeah. And we've been selling off pretty hard here since what time was this here? Probably around the news time, 3. So about 6:30, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kind of playing around with this range a bit, this panel here. Finally broke out of the bottom of it. So the overnight VWAP looked like it'd been pretty big resistance there. We tapped it a bunch of times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the overnight session before we ended up breaking down and going lower. Hey, Dad, good morning. You're pretty early. I just started the stream not long ago, so it looks like there's only about 2 people in the stream so far. So 28,705 on the downside at the moment. Try to look for some higher time frame. We have this bullish fair value gap from way back. How far back does this thing go? It's like from forever ago. Let's go to the 1 hour. This was from May 5th. We've tapped into it once. We've tapped into it twice. Are they going to come back down here for this again? It's kind of a good question here. 4 hour chart. No fair value gaps down here. We do have a 30-minute there. Could mark that guy up. In a 30-minute bullish fair value gap currently. What do we have for targets above? We have this. Okay, so that was originally, let's go back here and double check this guy here. We got a 4 hour That was quite the drop on this 4-hour candle here. So only 40 minutes left on that guy. We had this bearish one here. It got inverted. It was bullish, and now it's looking like it's going to get inverted on this candle. Unless we think that, you know, is NQ going to bounce in the next 40 minutes? 700 points, possibly. So I'll leave that active for now. You never know. What are jewels to renew? It's something you'd spend money on for the channel if you're trying to, like, it's a way that you can kind of like donate to the channel without donating monies. Okay. So I kind of think we might end up getting a bounce out of this area here. What are we going to do with this price action? Don't really want to be a buyer down here. I mean, could be a decent place, but at the same time, everything's saying that we should be looking for shorts. Got about 9 minutes to the bell here.
Mustang drawing every zone. Patience always brings us home. VWAP is king. Everybody sing. Christ comes back like a boomerang. VWAP is king. Let the candle swing. Don't go broke. Taking profits. That's our thing. Calling out the moon. When he's cool, he's got the groove. Jerry waiting, never rushed. One clean setup, that's enough. Top 40 says wrist first, bro. Moon boys up, stole the show. Drews and nitrous, rocket flight. Everybody laughing, oh.
Hey guys, good morning, Puran and Angia. Angia, so I'm just dealing with Lucid trading right now. So what happened was, so originally when I signed up with Lucid, I had accidentally put a typo on my email address. My email address originally was, I put in David Dives, which is my email address, but I didn't put two D's in the middle. It was like David IVES, so it's like made a typo. And then I'd been going back and forth with them for so long about switching like the email to the correct address, and eventually they did. So now they're saying the reason that my account has been paused in Lucid is because my card was used with the two different email addresses, and it's against their rules for me to use my card on two different email addresses, and they're like asking me to explain why. So I basically just typed out and explained to them, like, look, when I signed up originally, there was a typo, you know, I used the wrong email address. I have a bunch of support tickets that like back that up, and you know, then they helped me switch to my actual email address because I wasn't able to like access any of the emails or anything. And yeah, so hopefully that's going to be sufficient to them as to why that I'm going to have that. So very interesting. Shut up. Hey, good morning, Nick.
How are you doing today?
So I found, did I tell you, or you probably didn't hear, but all my Lucid accounts got paused.
Why?
Well, it turns out that, so originally when I signed up, there was a typo, like, so my computer auto corrected my email address, and my email address is David Dives, and then it took out one of the D's, so it was David IVES instead of David DIVES.
Gotcha.
And then I went back and forth with AJ, who's a CEO, and other support, and eventually we changed it to the correct email. So now they're seeing that, oh, why is there two people using the same credit card number? That's against our policy.
Oh my God.
So I just explained to the guy, like, basically what I just told you is that, like, originally I signed up with the incorrect email address. I have like support tickets that show the back and forth of, you know, that they changed the email, so it's the same person. I'm not sharing my credit card with anybody else. So hopefully they can figure this out sooner than later, because I'm like, I want to be able to trade these accounts, man. I got two Lucid Flex that are, those Flex accounts are eligible for payout. I'm not going to take it because I don't have enough buffer in there yet, but it's pretty annoying. So you like the thumbnail or what?
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
I took Jerry Trades because his wasn't the correct format.
Gotcha.
And I just kind of like got AI to like adjust it to a better format and like the right shape, because it was like incorrect shape. And then I made one for the pre-market and one for the New York. So I mean, whatever, if you don't like it, or you do, or you want to go back to one or the other before, also let me know. But
Dig it. Well, we got a minute until market opens here.
Okay, yeah. So we're in a 30-minute bullish fair value gap from, I guess it would have been from July 17th, last Friday. But pretty hard to be bullish with this type of price action. How's your morning?
Took a couple losses, took a couple of wins. I am up a total of 187 on some very small trades.
Oh, well, that's great news, though.
Yeah, I'm up. So that's starting off New York session green. I'm going to be trading MES today rather than NQ because Yeah, because of all the wonderful things it does.
Hmm. Makes sense. MNQ left some fair value gaps behind. I can see it retracing, going back down. Yeah, we might get a bounce here out of the gate, and then
And market is open. Okay, what's happening here? I was expecting a little bit more of a move than that.
going down, 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 down. With such a sell-off, I'd expect us probably to get a little bit of a bounce out of the gate here. Now, how much of a bounce? That's the question.
Yeah. That's always the question right at the open.
I am in a long, up 400 already.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
Look at you go.
519. Beautiful. That's in my 150K top one futures account. I went in 6 long, 683, added 696, added 709, all out 723, and look at that, 740 already.
Nice job.
Damn it. Always leaving too much on the table here. But I don't really want to trace it now. Like Jerry, what Jerry was saying there, leaving some fair value gaps above bearish ones. So might just bounce into those guys and then head straight back down.
All right, we are ending up with a nice bounce here on ES, up to 7,467. So I do have my MES long in. I added to it on the previous candle. So I'm in with 8 micros total. Average price 7,466. And I'm managing this on a 1-minute chart, so. All right, I'm locking in $200.
I just copied the entire thread that AJ helped me change the email address and pasted it into the current support to be like, here, read this.
There you go.
Here's evidence to show that what happened, kind of thing.
There you go. Unlock my accounts.
Yeah.
Please and thank you.
Please.
Please and thank you.
And thank you.
All right, made $200 on that.
Nice.
So I'm up 380 for the day.
Beautiful.
Wondering what oil is going to do now. We had an overnight high around 90, 91.50 or 91.60. Has pulled back a little bit.
So it seems like the whole algorithm issue that I've been dealing with too kind of seemed to fix itself yesterday, because I got 30 new subscribers again last night.
Oh, nice.
Which I don't normally stream on Wednesday nights. Yeah, but yeah, first, like, I was stuck on the subscribers. No new viewers for like over a week. So I don't know, out of all the changes I did, change the thumbnail, this title, I added hashtags into the description. So I don't know what it was, but something. And then we had Ralph co-starring with me last night on stream.
Oh yeah, Jerry Trades was saying that you have a camera specifically for Ralph now.
Yeah.
He told me I need to get an iguana camera.
Oh, that's a good call. Yeah.
There is 3 of them sitting out there right now, so. But I have a glass door behind me wide open, so one of them's bound to walk into the kitchen at some point.
Go clean up some bugs. Well, I'm in a banger trade here, up $200 on 2 micros on my Blue Sky eval. Nice. So I better lock some in here. Sell to stop. Probably try to at least lock in about $100 or so. Might get stopped out right now. Maybe. Pretty strong pullback there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out. Okay. Well.
All right. Well, let's watch what this does. We're only 8 minutes into the session, so.
Mm-hmm.
I got my ES long in again.
Looks like we got a scammer.
Scammer?
Yeah. Because all of a sudden there's posts in multiple Discord channels all at once, and it's the same post. It's like...
Great.
So open in mod view. Let's banhammer this guy.
Do it. Get rid of him.
Ban him for spam account. And delete message history. Boom. Bye-bye. Popping up here some more.
Yeah, I just locked in $50.
Beautiful. Kind of back up to I have this channel, well, diamond pattern, I guess it is. Is it the diamond pattern? We're kind of, no, it's the bottom of the channel.
Yeah, I'm looking at this bounce off the standard 1 deviation band, it being above VWAP. I know it's, VWAP isn't that strong at this point, but we've had a bit of movement right off the rip for the open, so I'm okay with taking longs for right now. Overall, I'm still pretty bearish.
Yeah. Saha. Hey, good morning. It's a name that I don't really recognize, so good morning, good morning. Nick's balling today, right, Jerry? Skeletor, you're staying flat till the 15-minute orb? Okay. YM and RTY are strong right now. Oh, yeah. YM just ripped straight up 764 to 51,764 to 52,041. So like a 300 point ripper. Beautiful. Buyers are pushing us up here.
I'm not hating this movement today.
Oh, pretty clean so far.
May add into this on a pullback.
Okay, $81 in the TPT account now. That's still, I'm so close to getting that buffer down on that one, and I can finally actually like let one run maybe one of these days. I've been just so aggressive on, if I get anywhere between 800 and 80 and 200, I'm like, just take it.
Yeah, I mean, nobody ever went broke taking profits. So all right, I added into this, got 8 micros in again on MES. Just locked in, I don't know, maybe $100.
Lago News says, I can't effing believe this is still going up. What the Jesus F? It's like, I hope you're not trying to, I hope you haven't been jumping in front of this with shorts. I mean, I know like typically we're always saying like below the VWAP short, below point of control short, but
we are
long price action. You can't just, yeah.
But look at the New York VWAP. We are above VWAP. We're above the standard 1 deviation band. We hit the 50% mark between the 1 and the 2 deviation band, and there's not a lot of downward movement so far.
Yeah.
Most of the orders on Bookmap are above the current price, so
So it's interesting, the Lucid thing all happened after they sent an email out about fraud and stronger KYC information. So they must have been, maybe have some sort of algorithm digging through all the accounts looking for kind of stuff like that. So
it's not an individual going, hey, wait a minute.
Yeah. It's just annoying because now I've missed out on the open here and yesterday's evening trading session.
There's going to be plenty more to trade.
Yeah. I'm just running out of accounts to trade right now. Normally, I just try to take a little win and then move on to the next one.
You poor thing.
Yeah.
Those are some first world problems right there.
Yeah.
Looking like shorts might come into play here soon.
Yeah, we're rolling over a bit here. We'll have to see how this candle plays out. Obviously, if this thing just flips green, might just continue on with what they've been doing. But we do have the previous day low up there at 960. But I would say 900 is probably going to be a tough number to get through. 28,900. Thought it'd be good to throw on some Costa Rican, forget the rest of this name, but it's a good song.
Got a Costa Rican vampire?
Oh, Costa Rican vampire, yeah.
Yeah. I think that started off, I think he made that song specifically because I said something about having a smile that starts off on my face and ends up in your neck.
He definitely has a good imagination.
I got to think of an intro for teammate Alex.
Oh yeah, he's gonna come on your stream.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, my MES short is working out pretty damn well right now.
I want to be in the Illuminati and drink, not going to say that, but blood, so I can be in the know with these market moves.
I'll let you have that one. I'm not my idea of a good time.
No. even if he is the Costa Rican vampire.
Yeah. Nope. Not even. No. Just no. That's all I got for you. Just no. This is that sell-off.
Yep.
Look at that book map. Oof. All right, I'm up 450 in this one so far, locking in 150 bucks. And I'm just gonna let this go for a little while.
Yeah, it looks like the way to go. Not showing any signs of slowing down.
Nope. I did add into it. I got a total of 12 micros. So it brought my average price down to $7,473.50. I'm gonna lock in another couple hundred here.
Nice short there. Beautiful.
Thank you. The rejection off the standard 2 deviation. Looking at the, again, just looking to the left, seeing all the pre-market downward movement, and then that initial bounce going up to the standard 2 deviation band. As soon as it pulled down off of that and closed between below the standard 1, that's where I took my short. And I went in with 4 micros to begin with. But we had strong enough movement down to justify me adding to it.
Yeah, definitely. Now, they're trying to bounce it, but they're getting rejection off the VWAP there. So probably going to just bounce up a little bit and then head lower again here.
That's kind of what I'm thinking. I do have my stop loss just above VWAP right now, so... You know what, Jerry, if you're in this chat as well today, I'm just gonna say thank you. I've been trading MNQ like an asshole. I forgot how easy it is to trade MES, and also, Jerry, I am what I eat. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say about that. If you were in the pre-market. If you were on the pre-market stream, you get that. If you weren't, well, you should have been. What's wrong with you people? This is one of those trades where I really want to take profit, but I'm not seeing a reason to get out of it yet.
This double red bands was a good sell area on Bookmap. Oh, yeah. We had orders up at sort of like 28,880 and 28,900.
This is going to continue down.
Trying to hold it up here at the moment. Again, VWAP probably going to be the resistance there. Back above the VWAP.
MES is still below the New York VWAP.
In another decent long here in my top 1 futures. Took 2 off already. I was on my Blue Sky account still, trying to switch it over here and manage to trade at the same time without screwing this trade up, so that I can show it on the stream. Don't pull back here.
It's all right. I just switched direction on this. So I took 450 on the short, and now I flipped it into a long.
Come on, let's go. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Wow, up 882 now in that top one futures account.
You're killing it today.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Forced to risk a little bit of profit in the accounts that I've already taken money because I don't have my Lucid accounts. So, but it's working out pretty good.
Take it.
And what, we're gonna go back down now?
Yep. So I made 50. Okay. Made 50 bucks on the long. It is now in a short.
Czar, hey, Dave and Nick. Today's price action is so much fun. Hopefully we can hold this volatility. It is pretty easy to make lots of money at the moment.
Yeah, I'm having a blast over here.
Getting in the right trade. I mean, it is pretty choppy, but it's been pretty big moves, so follow the color. Obviously, Czar's having a good morning. Usually when Czar comes in and says, it's so much fun, that means green, green, green.
Yeah, Czar's always having a great morning. All right, I'm up 400 in the short now.
Totally.
Oh. Yeah, today's a fun day to trade. Jesus.
When the trend is your friend. Have you been taking mostly shorts, Czar, or what did you take long out of the gate and then a short after that, or what? You're smiling too much as the turtle on your new thumbnail, Nick. I actually really like the smile on that turtle's face. Little turtle that added onto the iguana's back, smiling. Like, that's pretty good. So my I did cancel ASFX subscription.
Did you?
Yeah. So I'm kind of like whenever this runs out, I'm not going to be watching that anymore. Just to be honest, I haven't been getting any value from it because I'm focused on us.
Yeah.
So it's nice to like have another, some other good guys that you can watch to like see what they're doing, but
you can just, give Randy a call.
Yeah.
Like, hey, what do you win?
Oil is ripping higher, hey? Oh yeah, I guess that makes sense. Oh, so I wonder if I saw last night that Iran had attacked some of the United States like anti-air defense or something in one of the surrounding countries. So I'm wondering if it's because of war escalation stuff that's causing us to go down.
Yeah, probably. Price of oil has been going up steadily. I think in the overnight it hit like 96 or 98, somewhere around there.
Oh, geez.
It's not.
Jose, good morning. Good morning. How you doing, sir? It's so awesome. Jose sends me on Instagram his like finds out of the junk removal company that he has. So I'm always like, whenever I get a message from him, I'm like, oh, what did he get today? Perks of the job. And we bounced all the way back up here. Jeez. So far, that 30-minute bullish fair value gap has been holding really nicely. Just after that push down, I just could not take a long there. Just after that big bearish candle, I was like, can't buy this. Even though I want to buy it in this fair value gap, it's just felt too risky.
Let's go.
I'm done for the too much green. I'm getting greedy, Jerry. Yeah, if you're feeling that way, I mean, it doesn't hurt to lock it out and to call it a day.
I might be there with you in about another 20 or 30 trades.
I was thinking about shortening out the VWAP there too, but again, I'm just a little with the way that this price has been moving, starting to get a little concerned that I'm going to pick the wrong direction one of these trades, and it's going to be
a banger in the wrong way.
Yeah, like, oh, it took the VWAP. Let's go long. Nope. Oh, all the way back down to the lows. Shoot. And like I said, I'm running out of accounts to risk sync here, so
gonna have to pick up a couple more.
These guys would hurry up and unlock my accounts.
That would be Christmas miracle.
Well, this shouldn't be a problem. I hope they can hurry up and get around to doing it, because it's like I have all the proof of the question that he's asking me. So all they got to do is look back at the yeah. Go ahead.
So I got a 20 micro long in on oil right now.
Whoa.
I got a $1,500 stop loss and $5,000 take profit on it.
Oh, nice. Wow. Big trade.
Oh, this is a cash account, not a...
Okay. Makes sense. Yeah, usually you trade oil in your cash.
Yeah, I don't trade it in a prop account. That would be just dangerous.
Wow, Czar said, took many trades today. Best trade was 5 a.m. candle. Caught a 1% drop on 8 MNQ. Now only taking longs, but watching lows. Beautiful trades. Yeah, I mean, you know, typically in the past, especially after we have these huge sell-offs, we often get really strong bounces. So not financial advice, but I basically took all the green trades from longs this morning also. Not like Nick, he's takes it long up and then takes it short down.
All right, I got that oil trade with a stop and profit.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
Took my profit. Made $300 on it.
Well, I just took another long on my take profit trader account, and now I'm up at 150 on that account. Buffer is almost gone. Oh my god, it'd be so good. So I'm at 1896 now. We got to get it up to that 2K, and then you can start taking daily payouts after that, right?
Yep. If you're already taking payouts from other prop firms, I wouldn't take daily payouts.
Yeah.
For a little while, build up a huge buffer. Because Take Profit Trader is the only prop firm now that doesn't have payout limits.
Mm-hmm.
You can literally take out 30 G's in a day.
Which could really make your year.
If you're trading 5 funded accounts, you can pull your yearly salary out in a couple of weeks. After you've built it up to that level.
Jose, you're long MNQ targeting the daily anchor at 28,814. Oh, in at 28,814, targeting 28,629. That doesn't make sense. I think you said that backwards because you said you're long MNQ. You're in at a higher number than the lower.
I just closed out that oil long that I bought it at $91.51. Closed it at 91.71 with 40 micros.
Wow.
All right. That's enough for the cash counts. That just made my week.
Gordon came in 300 target bear, 656 breakdown on the way. Bull trap. I'm rich. Huge drop incoming. He didn't say I'm rich, but I'm adding that part in. It's just a matter of time.
Oh, gotta get off the oil here before
get tempted in.
No, I switched over to my TPT accounts, but I almost took a trade on oil, or I almost started just looking to take a trade on oil, which I don't want to do on this account. Nothing like blowing out accounts with a single trade. Oh my god. Today is just easy. Got my MES short, 8 micros.
Wow. Google earning bringing the market down. Google had bad earnings, obviously.
Let's go. D-base. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. No FOMO. Only YOLO. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Oh, getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. See, market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in drops. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello.
You're still trading the MES?
Yep.
Yeah, it's looking like it wants to go lower. Each candle we're making lower highs and lower lows until this last candle has like kind of a equal low at the moment with the bodies anyways, but
yeah, she flexing the gains. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. But then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we built that.
yeah, yes, definitely looking pretty clean. It's like interesting because they're like red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Gold getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it.
I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be back in a moment here.
Just got into an ES short off the rejection of VWAP.
Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. See you tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs. Still moving, never really stops. But we back again when the session starts. Market butcher gang, yeah, we play it smart. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Gold getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. See, market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my cup. Ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep. But then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on MES, yes.
Here comes that drop.
ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the gains. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. But then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we built that cool. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. On the morning charts every night, oh, market
I'm not sure what that noise is going on in the background. It's hard not taking profits right now, but at the same time, there's lower highs.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my cup. Ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep. But then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on MES, yeah, 7123. ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the gains. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood.
We still got orders underneath us, 74.56. Nothing seems to want to move above VWAP right now. Are bouncing off that -1 deviation band.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in drug. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. See you tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs off.
All right, I'm putting my TP at the -2 deviation band. Got my stop loss just above VWAP. See what happens here.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my
Still have the majority of the orders underneath the current price.
too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep. But then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on MES, yeah, 7123. ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah,
Buyers and sellers are really trying to fight it out right here.
Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off. But then someone says, don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we built that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. Oh, market butcher string, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah.
And took profits. All right.
TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we
Gordon 656 break will free fall MNQ. Zara's gonna step away and get some coffee. You know what? I think I'm gonna do the same thing.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Gold getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. CE market so choppy, man, I should've respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was way.
Gordon, are you rich yet?
Fill my cup, ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. More news dropping, markets don't play. Asia slow, feeling like I might sleep, but then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on MES, yeah, 7123 ATM dialed in, yeah, come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah, she flexing the gains. Silver in Asia, yeah, we running that game. Market going for blood, yeah, we all know. Tick charts, fleet charts, where the volume flow. Rocket emoji, countdown, lift off, but then someone says don't trade, yeah, we
I'm gonna look at another short right now. We got a rejection off of VWAP again.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Gold getting close, yeah, the moves might run.
Oh, still just bouncing around here in that 30-minute fair value gap.
Yeah, I just took another short here on ES. Oh, now I'm underwater by 40 bucks.
Took the view up.
Hit the VWAP and rejected.
Or NQ took the view up a little
Oh,
bit.
okay.
Yeah.
Did it close over VWAP or?
Nope. Still got 1 minute.
All right. Then I'm not going to concern myself with my ES trade yet.
2 minutes on the 5, 1 minute on the 3 here. And it's pulling back down now. So, yeah. I think they're really trying to take it lower here, but it seems like the buyers are kind of like holding those lows.
They're holding the line, but
For now.
it is a fight right now.
I'm trying to get my creatine and electrolytes in so I can move on to the coffee.
Why don't you just put your creatine and your electrolytes in your coffee?
I mean, I guess I could. I just I've been trying to delay having coffee for about 1 hour after I wake up in the morning. And then yeah. Then all about the coffee.
All right, I'm locking in 200 bucks on this trade.
Wow, nice. Yeah, NQ's ripping lower here now. We got 6 minutes till the 30-minute candle's gonna have a closure. It looks like they're gonna try to close it below this fair value gap. We'll see though. The shorts off the VWAP for ES have been really nice, hey?
Yeah, they sure as shit have. I'm really liking them.
Like 4 clean touches with pushes down below, and then one that almost touched and pushed down below. So actually, that That other one, yeah, almost touched. Not quite, but almost. Close enough. There's a pretty decent sized bearish fair value gap on the 4-hour chart. I think the buyers are trying to close the imbalance. That's why the price is stuck. Oh, they want to push it up into that bearish fair value gap, right? I was looking at that earlier from the pre-market. So they want to maybe push it up and mitigate that sort of 7,480 area. I can see that as being a potential draw at some point. But we got 3.5 hours on this candle, so it might just continue down.
Yep, it might.
Probably will, actually. I'm kind of leaning that the bears are more in control at the moment, especially with the wicks that we're putting on here on NQ anyways. ES basically looks the same, so it's like squishing a pancake. Skeletor, that 708 level on MNQ is the level they're fighting over. Yep. The right at the 700s, basically. Totally agree. Totally. Yeah, I think when I popped into your stream this morning, Jerry was asking you about, or saying something about how he only trades MNQ because that's what he learned, right?
MES, but yeah.
Oh, MES? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of us. It's kind of the best place to start. It can have
Honestly,
big moves, but it's a little bit more. Yeah.
You know what? I mean, it's a great place to start, but I'm looking at it right now thinking this might be a great place for me to finish. Because today is just easy. This is the easiest New York session I've had in 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
All right, got another short in.
Wow. Even a Trump candle on MES isn't that scary? NQ will blow your account, yeah. That's why you got to trade like 1 micro or 2 micros on NQ.
Yeah, that's why I like trading 1 micro on MNQ.
So initial balance just set there. Natural gas just came through.
You been hanging out in a blues club lately or something?
Right? We've been just stuck inside the opening range, though. Hey, has the ES got out of there yet? I'm not looking at that at the moment, but
Nope.
no, it hasn't got out of the opening range either. So we did not get the candle closure below the 30-minute bullish fair value gap.
So right now I am in with a total of 32 micros.
Oh, jeez.
And I'm out.
Wow.
I'm done for the day. That was it.
Very nice. Very nice.
I got zero reason to be doing anything else. So that was my day completely. It is 8:30 in the morning. That's what I need to start doing every day. So that being said, thank you again, Jerry. I appreciate the reminder that MES is, in fact, so much cleaner to trade.
Very nice trading.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, Gordon said your read was spot on today.
Yeah, it was actually pretty easy. Like I said, this is the easiest New York session I've seen in at least 2.5 months. So no, I'm no Gordon Gecko, but maybe someday I will get to his level. As of right now, just not there yet. Just not there yet. Oh, so my funded futures account, I'm still holding that 1 micro ES short from pre-market. So I'm gonna close that one out now.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm sorry. This wasn't from pre-market. It was from I think 9:45. I put my short in.
Gordon said, "Man, you're an awesome trader. What are you talking about?"
I'm okay. I try. I do what I can.
So I took a opening range low break trade here, trying to see if I can't. We had pretty high volume on this last candle here. The push down, we did break the opening range low. It kind of is sitting right on it right now. So opening range low is also the initial balance low. 1 micro, targeting 558 on the downside.
All right. All right, Dave, I hate to leave you, but I'm going to leave you.
Yeah,
If I don't, I'm going to end up taking another trade, and I just don't want to do that today.
No, it's all good. You've been working since pre-market, so
yeah, it's been 4 hours. My work day is DUN done. It's time for a spelling lesson.
Crocodile Dundee.
All right, Dak. I will see you later. You're streaming tonight?
Oh, good. Yes.
Cool. Then
Yes,
I may pop in and say hello then.
Sweet. Okay.
Thanks, everybody. See you guys tomorrow.
Thanks, Nick. Good job, Nick. You're done. Also, $180 green. I'm hijacked and just chilling, brothers. Well, this trade isn't working out for me so far. Looks like the buyers are stepping back in here. Geez, all the way back to the VWAP here. And then what? We're going to take the VWAP now? Looks like we're going to go for double break, going back to the initial balance high. Bounce from the bottom to the open orb. Yeah, I know. That was my trade idea, was to take it lower from the orb. But we swept the lows and then we just bounced. I saw us like having some nice increased volume on the candle. We took it. I probably should have waited for this candle closure, but basically we get above 770 area. I'm gonna have to close this trade. This isn't a blue sky eval, the one that I was up in profit, so it's basically my profits are gonna be gone and a little bit if I end up closing this above 770. So 1 micro. Yeah, it is. It's been choppy. Just no real directional decision at the moment. So I'm gonna let this one ride for a bit here. Maybe I should look at 800 as the line in the sand. If I do, then it'll turn this count from green to $150 loser or something like that. So it's not the end of the world. This eval. They've been asking on NQ playing rotation between Mag 7 and semiconductors. Since we still are negative gamma, the pullbacks are really brutal. Maybe I won't trade MNQ today anymore. Yeah. Well, I added one there. It looks like we're going to do a pullback here. If we get back to break even, I might just exit this trade. I'm not that happy with it. So try to get out, sort of break even here. Couple more points. Come on, boys. Just a little bit more. Hit it, hit it. Okay, I got out of that trade break even with that little add in there. Little trade management trick. Added in on the rejection of the VWAP and just got out break even. So back up to $160 in this account. So I lost 75 on one contract and made 83.50 on the other. So and then watch, now it's gonna play, the trade's gonna play out, isn't it? But that's all good. I'm happy to get out break even when get into that kind of a situation there. But that's the kind of move that we needed here, this push up, for us to actually get the momentum to break the lows. So not really surprised that it's probably going to come back and break out to the bottom side now. Look at those moves though, guys. Like, freaking seriously. Up 84 points. Then straight back down 84 points. What the heck? Yeah, of course, guys. Of course. Now we're going to head to the 540s. Right? Do I dare try another short at the IB low here? I don't know, guys. But that is quite the candle here. Volume's been increasing. 42 seconds left here. I've been trying to go break even more often too. It's an ego that fights me sometimes. Usually ego is wrong. Yeah, you know, I've actually taken a few of these trades here and there where I end up getting into a losing trade, and then it looks like it starts making a lot of resistance at a key level. So then I like end up adding like from 1 to 2 micros. Like I'll go from 1 micro to 2 micros, and then I just put my take profit like slightly in profit of my entry like level, and then just try to get out of it. So it's been saving a lot of downside risk. So short the rips from here. Seems like it, right? Now you're rich, hey Gordon. Short the rips from here. Yeah. Yep. Okay, attempting this opening range low here again one more time. See if we can't get a little push down. I'm going to target the 80s. 580. See if we can't get our push lower here. One micro. Might go break even here pretty quick. Kind of want to just see it sweep the low of that previous candle. And then I'll put a stop and break even. Actually, I'm going to put it now. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Seems like the sellers are holding it though. But is that just the buyers that are going to take it here? Yeah, I can't really trust this price action at the moment, so we finally got a candle closure below opening range low, but buyers just aren't getting any progress here though. So maybe the shorts are the way to go. Yeah, look at that. It's a pretty strong battle on this candle here. I agree with you. Listen to my mentor in the background. He also getting frustrated with the price action. Who's your mentor, Czar? How's your mental capital doing? Yeah, I'm pretty exhausted actually, to be honest, Jerry. After, you know, I streamed Monday morning, Monday night, Tuesday morning, didn't Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, Wednesday night, and now Thursday morning. So it's been a pretty busy week anyways. Finally broke 1,800 subscribers though. Thank you guys for all the support. Pretty crazy though, how I went through an entire week without getting any new people into the channel. So whatever happened, either Ralph saved my ass or maybe the thumbnail and the title changes were good, and adding the hashtags to the description. But between whatever I did there, seems to have helped out. Alex from Flowzone. Oh, nice, nice. I'm tempted to get back in, but will not. I can see a big loss coming if I do. Yeah, you follow your intuition. Follow your intuition. Damn, guys. Should have just held that short on that one, hey? Yeah, same with NQ. We just broke orb low. Yeah, I'm feeling myself now wanting to chase this down, so I don't know if it's a good idea. Probably should end the stream here a little bit earlier than normal, guys. I'm going to be back again tonight, so I'll just wait for the hourly candle. We got about 8 minutes for that. Once we get through that hourly candle, then I'm going to think about ending the stream there. Feeling pretty exhausted. Wish Lucid would hurry up and answer my questions here. MES. It went well, Zexy. They approved me. I have a discount code, as you can see on the screen there, 93DRM08F. So I did try to get him to change it to Butcher. We'll see. It's still obviously brand new sort of account situation, so... Let's go. I know, right? There's a QR code in the top right corner there for Tradeify, and then also that's my discount code. So, and I just tried to use it on my own account just to see if it would work, and it said you cannot use a discount for yourself. So it works. It seems like it works. I'm supposed to get another email from them this morning. So oh yeah, here. Okay, it says the code has been added for. I've gotten you added with the code Butcher. Should get an email from GoAF. Again, if you have issues, try resetting the password, then log in again. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so it looks like coupon code Butcher is going to work now, so I can update this. I see it on the GoAF, which is a Tradeify's like Go affiliate page. So let's go back to the banners here. I can update this now. Turn that off, edit it. Butcher. That's awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I think I also need to quickly go into the title descriptions here and update that. And then last but not least, Discord. I think I did put a post in the Discord there. Firms and accounts. Edit this message. And it's Butcher. So we got the hourly candle just starting here. Hey, yeah, I'm doing very good. Thanks for asking. I missed that comment earlier from you there, Zexy. Looks like my layout's a little weird because when I add for this one better, yeah, that one's better. Oh, there we go. That's the best one. Butcher 1, Duo, Butcher 2. There we go. Push them lower here. This was my original, actually my trade idea earlier when I stopped that out. Break even is short at the opening range low, targeting a -1 deviation, sort of like 540, 550 area. Looks like it's going to play out. You punch it in to see how it looks. What's that? The discount code, you mean? Or are we stalling out here or what? Yeah, Zara, I'll be on live again tonight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, Dad, thanks for the like. 4 likes on the stream today? Wow. That's great. That's like 50% of the viewers. I don't know, Dad. I see 11. I see 11 likes this morning. Maybe you need to just update your refresh it, because sometimes it doesn't update the likes for the viewers. So if you refresh the screen, it'll show updated likes. So I got 11. We're doing good. Yeah, thanks, Jerry. I was a little freaked out over the last week where I was like completely stalled out, not getting shared to any of the other streams and everything. So, or other new viewers. I was like, what happened? Like, how did I get did I get shadow banned or whatever they call that? It's like, oh my gosh. I just want to see if we're going to head down to these 543, 550 area. See if this my trade idea that I was there on earlier would have worked or not. Probably would have targeted just above the 550s, and it looks like it's going to. Looks like it wants to hit it. I'm going to be going to see my dad this morning, actually, in a few hours. Oh, geez, I haven't even let the chickens, the small chickens, out of the coop yet. Damn it. It's really hard for me to get up and get the morning stuff done ahead of the stream because, I'm up pretty late. I don't get to sleep till midnight or after midnight, and then I got to be up at 6 a.m. It's really not getting enough sleep. And then, for example, now those little chickens are stuck inside their coop still. Got to get out there and deal with them. Just waiting for this TP, potential TP to hit here. Shouldn't have got scared out of that one. Should not have got scared out of that one. So my first entry was, what was it, 5 or 10 minutes too early, between 5 and 10 minutes too early. We still had one more bounce out of it. And then look at that. Just there we go. TP would have been hit. So that would have been 100-point short had I held that. That's too bad. Could have targeted the -1 deviation of the opening range. So if you guys are interested and you ever want to use it, the Lux Algo Orb and Targets is a pretty good, pretty good indicator to use if you're looking to trade the orb, right? We set the orb on the first 15 minutes and then played in the range for quite some time. Finally ended up breaking down. Took it with some pretty decent volume was here. Then they bounced it back up. Actually broke it with the candle closure. So if I would have been smart, I could have just waited for the candle closure below it and then entered on the retest and then just straight down. We could have taken, a 1-to-1 risk to reward there roughly. Yeah, definitely. And not only that, Jerry, but like I got to take Frank for a walk and I got to shower and, everything. And then, by the time I get into bed, it just gets so late. So yeah, it's all good, Dad. Sometimes you would have to like leave the stream and then go back in the stream to be able to refresh it. So don't bother doing that. But I'm just saying like often you'll only see like the old amount of likes. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up here, though. I got to be back. I got some stuff to take care of, the animals, and then I'm going over to my dad's in the mid-afternoon, and then going to be back to stream live again tonight. So going to wrap it up here. Thanks a lot for hanging out, guys. Appreciate your support. Definitely check out Tradeify if you guys are looking for any accounts there. I do have a discount code with them, as you probably know. Would love the support from you guys. Also, obviously, the good old Lucid is amazing too. Can't go wrong with them. So thanks so much, everybody. Top chats here on the YouTube channel. Gary Trades Futures, Roy Stewart, Czar Trader, Skeletor, Lafta, Gordon Gecko, Zexy, Blackout News Network, Jose, Puran, Amsahasa, and Angia. So thanks so much, everybody. Appreciate you guys. And we'll be live again tonight for 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. Yeah, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the evening stream. So looking forward to seeing you guys then. And have a great day, guys. We will catch you on the next one. See you later. See you, Johnny. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys. Bye-bye.